How to fix sending reels failed in Instagram. So all you have to do is to go to your Instagram application here, and it will lead you to your home page. Now, the first thing that you want to do is to actually check if you are connected to Wi-Fi. So just have to scroll here and then go to your Wi-Fi settings and make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi. Now, Wi-Fi is very slow. Let's say you have a slow internet connection, then you may want to go to your cellular data if it's much more faster than your Wi-Fi, and then try to check if the reels is actually sent now. But if it still doesn't work, the next thing that I want you to do is to actually go to your Play Store or your App Store. It depends on what device you have. So, and then just type there Instagram here. The next thing that you want to do is if you'll see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. Now, it's very important for you to update your applications because it's a newer version, and of course, there are actually features that you can only access once you actually update your application. So, if you see an update button, just click on that and then try to send your reels again. Now, if it still doesn't work, then the next thing that you want to do is to go to your settings and just go to your general here, your iPhone storage, and then just find Instagram there and tap on offload the application. And for Android users, you can try to clear cache your Instagram application. Now, you have to reinstall the application, then it won't be actually deleting the data on your application. It will just refresh the application and then just wait for it to be downloaded again here, and check if you can now send your reels. Now, if it still doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your profile here, and then on the upper right you'll see three dash lines. Tap on that and go to your settings. Now, here on your settings, the next thing that you want to do is to go to help and then report a problem, and then here report a problem without shaking, and then don't include this and continue, and then explain your problem and say you cannot send your reel, so there is a problem when sending reels, and then tap on send and wait for the Instagram community to go and help you with your problem, maybe around 48 hours business days, 2 business days, or 48 hours. And basically that is how you send and basically, that is how you fix sending reels failed in Instagram. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.